Good evening, all students. UPSC aspirant, English medium student. Today's class, chapter 3, remaining topic. So let's go ahead. Next topic, from garrison town to empire, the expansion of Delhi Sultanate. So look at this picture. Map 2, major cities captured by Samsuddin Iltutmish. So look at this picture. Map 2. Look at this picture. Map. So major cities captured by Samsuddin Iltutmish. Some cities of name Lahore, Gwalior, Chambal, Ranthambore, Awadh, Marwala, Kashil, Delhi, Mandor, Ajmer, etc. So let's go ahead. In the early 13th century, the control of the Delhi Sultan rarely went beyond heavily fortified towns occupied by garrisons. The Sultan seldom controlled the hinterland of the cities and were therefore dependent upon trade, tribute or plunder for supplies. So controlling garrison towns, controlling garrison towns in distant Bengal and Sindh from Delhi was extremely difficult. Rebellion war, even bad weather could snap fragile communication routes. Delhi authority was also challenged by Mongol invasions from Afghanistan and by governors who rebelled at any sign on the Sultan weakness. So its consolidation occurred during the reign of Ghiyasuddin Balban and further expansion under Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq. So first of all, first set of comparison along the internal frontier of the Sultanate aimed at solidating the hinterlands of the garrison towns. During these campaigns, forests were cleared in the Ganga Yamuna Dwab and hunter gathered and pastoralists explained from their habitat. These lands were given to peasants and agriculture was encouraged. And new fertilized garrison towns and towns were established to protect trade route and to promote regional trade. And the second expansion occurred along the external frontier of the Sultanate. Military expeditions into southern India started during the reign of Alauddin Khilji with Muhammad Tughlaq. By the end of Muhammad Tughlaq reigns 150 years ago, after somewhat humble beginnings, the armies of the Delhi Sultanate and marched across a large part of the subcontinent. So look at this picture. Map 3, Alauddin Khilji campaign into South Indian. So look at this picture. Alauddin Khilji, campaigned South India. So some names of cities: Ranthambore, Chittor, Ranthambore 1301 and Chittor captured 1303, and Gujarat and Warangal, Katyai, Tajambur, Pandey, Madurai, Bengal. So etc. And look at this picture: Kuwait al-Islam, Moscow and Mirat. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. Moscow, Kuwait al-Islam, Moscow and Minarat built during the last decade of this 12th century. This was the Congregational's Mosque of the first city built by the Delhi Sultan, described in the chronicles as Delhi A Kuhna, the old city, or the old city name of Delhi A Kuhna. The mosque was enlarged by Iltutmish and Alauddin Khilji. The minar was built by two Sultan Kubuddin Aibak and Iltutmish.